This is day 16, I think, of doing impromptu speeches. Let me look at the topic first. So our first topic will be define the word. Ah, already answered that. The pros and cons of a fully remote workforce. I don't really like that. No. Fake it till you make it. You agree or disagree with this advice? Hmm. Let's try with that. Let me think first. I kinda agree with the advice, fake it till you make it. You know, it's about trying a new identity when you're trying a new habit or changing a habit or trying to change as a person. You need to fake it until you make it. You have to be that new identity while trying to be it. So, how does it work? It works by, I'll give an example. There are two people who are trying to stop smoking cigarettes, and the other one was asked to do a cigarette break, and he said, I'm trying to stop smoking, and the other one said, I don't smoke. So that's why you should fake it till you make it. Second topic would be, if you could travel back in time to any era, where would you go? I'm not really sure, bro. hmm I don't want to answer that because I don't really know how social media impacts us. The role of art in a highly technological society. I don't really know how to answer that, bro. Let me think for a. What is the role of art in a society full of technology? Okay. The role of art in our society today, where it's full of technology, is a medium to express yourself. And today's society, it has a lot of technology, AI, and products, advertisements that's trying to control us and makes us into consumers. And we can use art to express ourselves to the world instead of just consuming everything it's trying to feed us. We can use art to express ourselves and actually create something and show ourselves to the entire world, also using technology too. So the role of art in our technological society is a medium to express yourselves, especially in social media. Next topic will be, is it inherently better to be a leader or an excellent follower? Hmm. So the question is it inherently better to be a leader than an excellent follower? I think that would be depending on the person. If you want to be a leader or an excellent follower. Not everyone is destined to be a leader, because some people just don't want to lead and they just want someone to lead them. But for people who don't want to lead and are excellent followers, you need to make sure you are following the right leaders. And for the leaders, at least for me, I want to be a leader, or at least someone who can lead, because in this world, I don't want to keep on just following the crowd that's just consuming everything. I want to build my own path. So my answer is just, it depends on who the person is. Hard to speak at 1 minute. I need to become more concise tomorrow. But I think I'm getting better though. What I learned so far is using keywords and trying to build a bullet in your mind. I didn't really build a bullet though. I just used keywords. So yeah, I should read a book about this.